Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the theme in the Zen browser. First, open the Zen browser on your computer. On the left side of the browser, you will see the menu area. Move your mouse to an empty space in this left menu area. Then right-click with your mouse. A small menu will appear on the screen. Click on Edit Theme once. After clicking it, a new window will open. This is the theme editor. In this window, you can change how your browser looks. You will see a color picker in the center. You can choose a color by clicking anywhere inside this color area. You can also move the circle inside the picker. As you move the circle, the theme color will change in real time. At the top of this window, you will see a button to switch between a lighter theme and a darker theme. Click this button to choose the style you prefer. Next, you can choose a gradient theme. You can do this from the menu inside the theme editor. You can also add more color circles. Each circle represents a color in the gradient. You can move these circles to change how the colors blend together. At the bottom of the window, you will see a slider. This slider lets you make the color brighter or darker. Move it left or right until the color looks right to you. Once you are happy with the theme, you can close the window. Thanks for watching.